Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by selecting the exact range that holds the numbers you want to deduplicate. This reduces accidental deletes. Once selected, convert formulas to values so comparisons are stable. Copy, paste special values, because formulas can look identical but differ internally. Make sure to clear blanks and non-numeric cells or apply a number filter, since empty cells can interfere with Excel's duplicate logic. Doing this first saves time and prevents data loss later when you remove duplicates or apply helper formulas. You can choose the direct route. Data right arrow remove duplicates, which edits in place and is fast for single columns. Alternatively, use a helper column so you can inspect results first. Enter equals countif, $1, $1, $1, 100, A1, 1 and fill down to mark duplicates. Once you see true for duplicates, filter that helper column and delete rows, or copy only false rows to a new sheet. This method shows why something is removed and lets you verify before permanent deletion. Finish by sorting and recalculating so you can visually confirm only unique numbers remain and save a backup copy now. If remove duplicates removed unexpected rows, immediately undo, then use the helper column approach to inspect duplicates before deleting. If numbers still seem duplicated, check for hidden characters or extra spaces. Apply trim and clean or value to coerce text to numbers, because differences in formatting cause Excel to treat similar values.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.